How to unlink Facebook from Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch your Instagram application on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. As you tap on the bottom right corner to tap on your profile, select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now select on Account Center. As you select an account center, you can see the option of sharing across profiles. So tap on it. Here, select on your Instagram account and make sure that you toggle off the option of your Instagram post or Instagram story over here. So this will just help you to not share your post to your Facebook directly over here. Now you can also go back and tap on logging in with accounts. You can select on choose which accounts can log into another accounts, and after that you can just go onto your profiles and you can just disconnect your profiles over here. You can just tap on your Facebook or Instagram page and you can just toggle off the option of sync or stop syncing profile info. So as you tap on stop syncing, you'll be able to unlink Facebook from Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.